Recording.
Take all the Phillips out. Set those aside. Make sure you got something to contain everything. Take all that out. It's little. Push that to the side. Very delicately.
You're blocking that pin. It's still there. So.
Make sure ain't no water in it. The water is in it. You're good. I'll take that off because I'm gonna clean it off.
And so they can see what it is.
Show the inside right there. Next, I'm gonna take all these off. I'll show you when they all off. So label those 3 out. Those are the jets. Go inside of hole right there. The other one goes there, and then that one goes inside of that one. I'm gonna just spray all this with brake cleaner. Make sure you get it all clean.
You got it pointed the other way.
Nice and clean. If there's anything in there you want to get it out. So when you tighten them down, you just want to tighten them enough to where they stop. You don't want to over tighten them because they're brass. Make sure they're snug though. This inside one right there is a 5/16. That goes on there. Kind of a counterweight. And to not allow all the fuel to come straight through there. It goes up in there. Uh-oh. I'm gonna edit that out. Put some hair around it, maybe I'll get it. I don't want to go. Here we go. What, did you just not get what I said?
Oh. That's just a cuff.
Oh. Okay, back together.
Test it.
Okay, so kind of want a spring action. If it jumps back, then you're good to go. If it stays there, then it's probably a crack in it or something's wrong with it. And normally we'll replace this seal, but the seal looks pretty darn decent, so I'm going to keep that seal. You always want to look on your towel to make sure you ain't forgetting nothing. I'm not forgetting nothing. It all went back in there. Did it go back in there right? I don't know. But it's in there.
It went in right. Just keep her reviews. Does it fix the problem?
Yeah.
We're not sure.
Yeah. You might go through the whole process of putting everything back on and everything, because there's not a lot of videos out there of actually showing you how to put this stuff back on. Everybody skip everything.
Edit, bring it back.
There.
Okay.
The last one, yeah.
Here. Try to get more or less like into detail more.
Don't look too bad. See the dirt? You don't want that down there.
Hang on. There we go. Right, there we go.
You might want to come to this side.
I'm recording now, so we can.
Right, so just out of our way. So we'll do it just how we did it. This is how we took it off. We did this one last. So that's there. We'll make sure it seats in there all the way like that. Pull that back there. That's the choke. You want to make sure that works. Yep, choke works. Okay, these are tricky. So we have to take this off. That goes in there.
Got just hands on. Okay.
Put that in there. This one's the other one. Put it. Yeah, you got. Hold on, you look good. So we have to put it in there, and then break it in. And that one is the bottom one, and the other one is the top.
So it goes on last. Bottom goes on last. So if you turn the butterfly,
hold on, let me see.
You can
just put it straight in there.
push it in there.
Let's see the pliers so you can see. Put that in there.
So,
make sure it's behind that little whip. Yeah.
Did I center it though?
That's that. And then the next one has to go. Make sure that screw don't get in your way. So I have to take this screw out. So this tab goes on there. The screw goes all the way through, and it's spacers in between there. So if you take that out, this spacers is going to fall. So make sure you don't mess with the spacers. Take that off. It's a lot easier. A lot easier. See how easy that was?
No tools needed.
Just make sure you get that all the way in there.
Just stay out of my car. Hi.
Hey. Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
I made it home. Didn't think so. Honest.
Alright, you can pause it.
Okay.
So that supposed to be throttle position system. Snap that in on the right. And this is kind of funky. You gotta push one side in and go to the other side. That's kind of how I figured it to work out with this. If you got enough pressure, you can get them all in at once. Yeah.
Because all the backs are in. You just gotta get all the tops. That one.
And make sure they feel nice and stiff. Check all the way around. You do not want any air leaking out of there.
Can you see around on the inside? Like a better view, maybe? Right down, like you can see a couple of the clamps right. Yeah.
So
You can see that
1, 2, 3, and 4 is right there. So once all that's said and done, and you got that on there, you want to make sure. First off, you want to make sure you don't lose the spring off here. Because fuck if you pause it. So that screw goes on the carb right there. You're gonna start it there, hold it there, and right here is where you start to twist, and it will slowly go up into there. So twist this. You want to make sure you got it nice and don't cross thread it. Try not to cross thread it. And then you want to get it until it touches that part right. Carb right, the bike's right. Until it touches there. Turn like what?
Turning like I'm gonna throw up.
Alright, okay, get going, dude.
Okay, let's make it easier. So first it goes here. Just put it there. That's all I know. Yeah, so it goes into here. Just snake these guys in here. One time.
I did, but I moved it out of the way when
So hold
it was said. Tighten.
What's not right?
There you go. In the middle, the middle.
From there, we put the gas tank on.